What are the 5 simple things that can reverse erectile dysfunction? Pretty interesting question, isn't it? Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we are diving into a topic that affects many men but is often shrouded in silence and embarrassment. Erectile dysfunction, commonly known as ED. We're going to explore what ED is, its underlying mechanisms, causes, and how you can effectively manage and even reverse this condition with 5 simple strategies. We'll also touch on the role of nutrition, physical activity, the psychological impact, and the use of supplements and medications. So, come on and join us as we get started with today's video. What is ED? Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for satisfactory sexual performance. It's not just an occasional issue. ED is characterized by persistent problems over time. This condition can significantly impact a man's self-esteem, intimate relationships, and overall quality of life. How does erectile dysfunction happen? To understand how to manage ED, it's crucial to grasp how it happens. Erections are complex processes involving the brain, hormones, emotions, nerves, muscles, and blood vessels. ED often results from problems in one or more of these areas. Typically, an erection begins with sexual arousal, which sends signals from the brain to nerves in the penis. These signals cause the muscles in the penile blood vessels to relax, allowing more blood to flow into the penis, leading to an erection. If any part of this process is disrupted, it can result in ED. What are the main causes of erectile dysfunction? ED can stem from a variety of physical and psychological causes, including cardiovascular diseases. Conditions like atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, can restrict blood flow to the penis. Diabetes. High blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels and nerves that control an erection. Overweight and obesity. Excess weight can lead to cardiovascular disease and diabetes, both of which can cause ED. Hormonal imbalances. Low levels of testosterone can reduce libido and cause ED. This is pretty common in men with weight problems. Medications. Some drugs can interfere with sexual function. Psychological factors. Stress, anxiety, and depression can lead to or worsen ED. Lifestyle factors. Poor diet, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and lack of physical activity can all contribute to ED. How is nutrition related to ED? Nutrition plays a vital role in managing and reversing ED. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins can improve cardiovascular health, which is crucial for erectile function. Foods that are high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can enhance blood flow and reduce inflammation, both of which are beneficial for preventing and treating ED. How is exercise related to ED? Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, boosts testosterone levels, and enhances overall cardiovascular health, all of which are critical for erectile function. Exercise can also help reduce stress and anxiety, further improving sexual health. What is the psychological impact of ED? The psychological impact of ED can be profound. Men with ED often experience stress, anxiety, and depression, which can further exacerbate the condition. Addressing these psychological factors through therapy, stress management techniques, and open communication with partners is essential for effective treatment. Now that we know the basics in ED, let's get into what are the 5 simple things to reverse erectile dysfunction. Now, let's discuss these 5 simple yet effective strategies for reversing ED. 1. Healthy food plan. Adopt a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Foods like spinach, blueberries, almonds, high-quality meat, and fatty fish are particularly beneficial. 2. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity most days of the week. Activities like brisk walking, jogging, swimming, and strength training can enhance cardiovascular health and erectile function. 3. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Reducing stress can help improve overall health and sexual function. 4. Quit smoking and avoid alcohol. Smoking can damage blood vessels and restrict blood flow to the penis, while excessive alcohol can depress the central nervous system, affecting sexual performance. Quitting smoking and avoiding alcohol intake can have very significant positive effects. 5. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can affect testosterone levels and overall health, leading to ED. What about supplementation for ED? Certain supplements may help manage ED. L-arginine, an amino acid, can boost nitric oxide levels, improving blood flow to the penis. Ginseng and yohimbe are herbal supplements that have been traditionally used to enhance erectile function. However, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any supplement. ED medication and side effects. Medications like sildenafil known as Viagra, tadalafil known as Cialis, and vardenafil known as Levitra, are commonly prescribed for ED. These drugs work by increasing blood flow to the penis, making it easier to achieve and maintain an erection. However, they can have side effects, including headaches, flushing, upset stomach, and in some cases, more severe effects like vision or hearing loss. It's essential to use these medications under the guidance of a healthcare provider. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, erectile dysfunction is a prevalent issue affecting many men worldwide, characterized by the inability to achieve or maintain an erection. Understanding its underlying mechanisms, causes, and effective management strategies is crucial for improving quality of life for those affected. The process of achieving an erection is complex, involving the brain, hormones, emotions, nerves, muscles, and blood vessels. Sexual arousal triggers signals from the brain to the nerves in the penis, leading to the relaxation of muscles in the penile blood vessels. This allows increased blood flow into the penis, resulting in an erection. Disruptions in any part of this process can lead to ED, highlighting the importance of a holistic approach to treatment. ED can arise from various physical and psychological factors. Cardiovascular diseases, such as atherosclerosis, can restrict blood flow to the penis, while diabetes can damage both blood vessels and nerves essential for erectile function. Obesity often contributes to cardiovascular disease and diabetes, further exacerbating the risk of ED. Hormonal imbalances, particularly low testosterone levels, can diminish libido and sexual performance. Certain medications can interfere with sexual function, and psychological factors like stress, anxiety, and depression can significantly impact erectile health. Additionally, lifestyle factors, including smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and physical inactivity, can contribute to the development of ED. Diet plays a significant role in managing and reversing ED. A nutritious diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean protein supports cardiovascular health and enhances blood flow, which are essential for erectile function. Foods high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can reduce inflammation and promote overall health, further benefiting those with ED. Regular physical activity is another critical component in managing ED. Exercise improves cardiovascular health, boosts testosterone levels, and enhances blood circulation. It also helps reduce stress and anxiety, which can negatively impact sexual performance. Engaging in moderate to vigorous physical activity for at least 30 minutes most days of the week can lead to significant improvements in erectile function. The psychological impact of ED can be profound, leading to stress, anxiety, and depression, which can further exacerbate the condition. Addressing these psychological factors is essential for effective management of ED. Therapy, stress management techniques, and open communication with partners can help alleviate the psychological burden of ED and improve overall well-being. Here are the 5 simple things to reverse erectile dysfunction. 1. Healthy food plan. Adopting a healthy food plan that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods can improve cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation, both of which are crucial for erectile function. 2. Regular exercise. Consistent physical activity enhances blood flow, boosts testosterone levels, and improves cardiovascular health, all of which are vital for managing ED. 3. Manage stress. Practicing stress-reducing techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and yoga can help alleviate the psychological impact of ED and improve sexual performance. 4. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking can damage blood vessels, while excessive alcohol can depress the central nervous system, both contributing to ED. Quitting smoking and moderating alcohol intake can significantly improve erectile function. 5. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep every night supports overall health, including testosterone levels and erectile function. Also, certain supplements, such as L-arginine, ginseng, and yohimbay, may help manage ED by improving blood flow and sexual performance. But it is essential to consult with your head healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen to ensure safety and efficacy. The medications like Viagra, Cialis, and Levitas are commonly prescribed for ED. These drugs enhance blood flow to the penis, facilitating erections. However, they can have side effects, including headaches, flushing, and, in rare cases, more severe effects like vision or hearing loss. It's crucial to use these medications under medical supervision to minimize risks and ensure proper management. So, managing ED involves a comprehensive approach that addresses physical, psychological, and lifestyle factors. By adopting a healthy diet, engaging in regular exercise, managing stress, quitting smoking, avoiding alcohol, and ensuring adequate sleep, men can significantly improve their erectile function and overall quality of life. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.